What is good, you guys? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, your guys' favorite Rideshare Hub host, and today we are going to be comparing Uber Black versus Lyft Lux earnings. So if you have a car that qualifies for Uber Black or Lyft Lux and you're wanting to know which one is more worth it, or if you're thinking of upgrading your car so you can drive one of them, we were going to compare these earnings right now. So without further ado, let's just get started. So if you don't know what Uber Black or Lyft Lux is, these are Uber and Lyft's options for a nicer car, so passengers can pay extra money to get a nicer ride and really just have a better experience. So there are different things you have to do to qualify for either of these if you want to be a driver. So I know for Uber Black you have to have a minimum of a 4.85 star rating. You can't have anything on your driving record about getting in an accident in the last 3 years, and you have to have a specific type of car. There's a few options that you could have, but it needs to be black with a black leather interior. It has to be 2017 or newer. It's in the year 2024, so it can't be older than like 6 years old. Anything like an Escalade, if you think of an Escalade, or like cars that are similar to that, those will qualify for Uber Black. And Lyft Lux is the same way. Since the Uber Black and the Lyft Lux options are like supposed to be premium rides for passengers, you as a driver have to be just a really good driver, really good with your passengers, not really create any issues or anything. So if you're one of those people that always gets in fights with your passengers, which you shouldn't be doing, maybe Uber Black or Lyft Lux wouldn't be for you. So now I'm sure you guys are wondering, well, how much money can I make doing either of these things? So I had to do a lot of digging around because there's actually not a lot of information about like how much these drivers make. And you know, obviously Uber and Lyft will come out with their own statements of how much they think these drivers make, and they're always wrong. They don't know what they're talking about. So I found this post about Uber Black drivers and how they can make $32 to $35 an hour, which is pretty good. Like that, I think that's pretty good. I don't know if that includes tips or not. Regardless, that's not bad. However, you know, take these numbers with a grain of salt. It really depends on your area, because there are some cities where Uber Black is going to be a lot more popular, like maybe Manhattan or Chicago, like some of these bigger cities, LA. But if you live in the middle of nowhere in like Nebraska, I doubt people are taking Uber Blacks very often. It might not be a good option for you if you live somewhere like that, but places like maybe like Houston, Atlanta, Dallas, Boston, San Francisco, you know, all those like pretty busy popular cities, more people are probably gonna be ordering Uber Blacks. Then I found this other post about Lyft Lux drivers. Okay, Lyft Lux is like the equivalent of Uber Black. It's just Lyft's version, and we all know Uber is a little bit more popular than Lyft. I mean, of course they're both very popular companies and apps, but I think Uber has more users than Lyft does. So this person is saying that with Lyft Lux, they could make $15 to $20 an hour, but Lyft Lux Black, you might make $45 a day. I mean, I don't know where this person lives, but from this, it sounds like they don't live in a place where people are ordering Lyft Lux Black cars, so they're not even getting any rides. With Lyft Lux, you could make like $180 a day if you're working full-time. Yeah, a lot of people are saying that like Uber Black has less cancellations and more pings, because I think that's the more popular option, and that, you know, in Beverly Hills they get a lot of Lyft Lux Black ride requests, but that's Beverly Hills, so of course you can decide if that is something you want to do if you're looking to do Uber Black or Lyft Lux. To me, it sounds like Uber Black is the better option, but you know, it doesn't hurt to sign up for both apps, and you know, you can go on Lyft Lux. If you're not getting any luck, you can switch to Uber Black in that same night when you're out driving and just see if anyone's there. So yeah, also both Uber and Lyft have the list of cars that are eligible for these on their website. You can go check those out and see if your car qualifies, or if you're looking to get a car that qualifies, and you could find it there. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I was honestly expecting the pay to be a little bit better. I don't know if maybe passengers that take these types of rides tip more, and maybe it is worth driving because the payout is better from higher tips. I'm really not sure. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Also, if you drive Lyft Lux or Uber Black, let me know how your earnings are doing. Also, we have a Facebook group where a lot of drivers will post their earnings or like tips they have, like screenshots and everything. So that Facebook group link is also down below in the description if you want to check that out. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful to you. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.